Ever seen a bird that crafts its own leafy home? With perfect precision, the long-tailed Tailorbird is a small passerine found in Southeast Asia's forests and gardens. It measures around 4 inches long and is recognized by its olive green back, rufous head, and distinctively long tail. This bird is known for stitching leaves together using plant fibers to build its nest, a skill that gives it its name. It feeds on small insects and spiders. Let's protect this animal before it's gone. Thanks for watching! See you in the next wild moment.